In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make ClickUp dark mode. If you spend long hours in ClickUp, switching to dark mode can reduce eye strain, improve focus, and just make your workspace feel a bit calmer. I'll walk you through it from a fresh browser, and I'll share a few tips along the way so nothing trips you up. First, open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type ClickUp and press Enter. You'll see results for the official site. Look for the result that points to clickup.com and click it. If you land on a marketing page, that's fine. Just continue into the app as you normally would. Once you're in the ClickUp interface, you'll be ready to change the theme. Now, look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon. It might be your photo, your initials, or a generic avatar. Click that icon to open the user menu. This is where ClickUp keeps personal preferences and settings that affect how the app looks and feels for you. In the menu that appears, find the option labeled Themes and click it. Depending on your screen size or version, themes may appear directly in the dropdown, or it may be within a small settings panel. Either way, you're looking specifically for themes, which controls the overall appearance. Inside Themes, choose the dark option. As soon as you click it, the interface should switch over immediately. No page refresh needed. Whites and light grays will shift to charcoal and near black tones, and text will invert so it stays crisp and readable. This change is visual only. It won't affect your tasks or settings, just the way the app looks. If the switch doesn't seem to apply right away, try clicking anywhere on the page or toggling back to light and then to dark again. Most of the time, it's instant. A couple of quick tips. If you don't see themes in the menu, make sure you're actually in the app view, not the marketing site, and that your window isn't zoomed so far in that options are hidden. You can also resize your browser or scroll within the menu. If you're using the desktop app, the steps are the same: profile icon, themes, dark. And if you ever want to switch back, return to the same themes area and choose light again. That's it. You've turned on dark mode in ClickUp, giving your workspace a cleaner, low-glare look. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the new theme.